ABCD is a parallelogram. This ABCD is a parallelogram. Find the angles X, Y and Z in the given figure. X, Y and Z. And what is given in the figure? These two are the altitudes, means heights. So CE is perpendicular to AB and CF is perpendicular to AD. Now we have to find X, Y and Z, and one angle is given as 40 degrees. Okay. Firstly, important part is opposite angles of a parallelogram are always congruent. See, two main conditions of parallelogram: opposite sides are equal and parallel, and opposite angles are congruent, right? And third important condition is diagonals bisect each other in a parallelogram. So as opposite angles are equal, X equals to Z, these two are opposite angles. Now in triangle EBC, see here, EBC, X plus 40 plus 90 equals to 180, because sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. So X you can find out. X equals to, this is 130, take this side, then it becomes 50. Therefore X equals to 50. Now as X equals to 50, Z is also equal to 50, because they are equal. Now as this is a parallelogram, AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC. So interior angles are supplementary. Interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary means their total is 180 degrees. So angle Z plus angle A. See, this is Z, this is A. These two lines are parallel. This is a transversal AD, and Z plus A equals to 180 degrees because they are interior angles, right? See, for any two parallel lines, these are the all angles. Alternate interior angles, alternate we call it. They form Z, they are equal. So same side interior angles, this is what we want in our case. So they are inside the two parallel lines and on the same side of the transversal, and they are supplementary. Total is 180. Then alternate exterior angles, these are alternate angles but on the outside of the parallel lines. Same side exterior angles means similar to same side interior angles, but they are on the outside of the parallel lines, and corresponding angles, they are equal. Okay, what we want now is these interior angles, this part. Okay, so Z plus A equals to 180. Therefore A we can find out. A equals to 180 minus Z, but Z we know, we have just now found out 50. So A equals to 130 degrees. Now we have found out A, angle A, right? Now in quadrilateral ABCF, this full quadrilateral means parallelogram. Angle A plus angle X plus angle Y plus 40 plus angle 90, this 90 plus equals to 360 degrees. ABCF, ABC and this F, this not D, ABCF. So A plus X plus Y plus 40 plus this 90 equals to 360. So all we know except Y now. So 130 plus 50 plus Y plus 40 as it is plus 90 equals to 360. So add all of them. Y plus 310 equals to 360. Therefore Y equals to 50 degrees. So we have found out both. X equals